What are we learning today?
We're reviewing rules of differentiation.
I seem to have moved to Tennessee now instead of Illinois.
How do you know that's Tennessee? That's just your bedroom, Marvel.
In Tennessee.
What are you doing, Nate?
Nate, why the heck do you have your mask on?
It's embarrassing.
Nate?
He's getting ready to.
And Dean, why are you muted?
We're getting ready for class, Marvel.
Maybe he's not alone.
Oh, wait.
Well.
I'm back.
Oh.
Well.
Hey, what tea do you guys have?
I don't know. What do you guys want?
That's hot.
Earl Grey.
Nate.
Oh, you're gonna try the apple one?
Oh yeah, that's pretty decent. It
Well,
smells really good.
Smell is 10 out of 10. I get
Spider-Man!
that. The taste
Hi.
I give it like a 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
I
But
can turn
the
this a little
The
bit.
smell is worth it though.
Put that away,
You
Nate.
open it up and it's just.
Throw it away.
I'll do premium green.
I will go Earl Grey.
I just got
Good choice.
green tea. It's so good.
Oh, I want that. I keep forgetting to take your thing down to the
Crap
fridge.
my back. God, that feels so good.
Okay, while we wait for our tea to boil, did you press the button, Marvel?
Yes, I did.
Good.
I think so.
Let me look.
It's clouding up, so I assume so.
All right. So, you guys should see on the classroom. Can you see my screen, right?
Yeah.
I just posted practice problems. These are just online worksheets.
I could so use an app.
What's that?
I could so use an app right now.
No.
Dean, you good?
So these sheets are they're just randomly generated on this CUDA website, and they all come with answers. So this is good for you to practice.
Memorize answers quickly.
We're just going to go through as many of these as we can. This one's over the product rule, so we'll just skip around here. We have the quotient rule, the chain rule. We can do some trig, right? We'll stick with the sine, cosine, and tangent. Then we have the natural logs and exponentials. I don't think we've done a lot with the natural log yet, so we'll stick with the exponentials on this one. And then implicit differentiation, I'm not sure how much we've talked about that. You have done it, but we'll look at that again more carefully. Does that sound good?
Yes.
All right, so I'm just going to start going through example problems.
Oh yeah, for Saturday,
Mm-hmm.
what time are they gonna be available?
I don't know. I don't know. I haven't talked to them about specific times yet.
Because there's gonna be this sort of league-hosted tournament, the Clash system,
Okay.
and that starts at 8 about.
In the evening,
Around 8? Yeah, 8 p.m.
email me and I'll talk to them. Send me that information in an email. I'll see if they can do that.
But like, of course, we face against. Because I'm already building a team of Etonium now.
Good.
And that's just sort of a tournament where we just face against random other
Oh, it's
teams.
random other? Okay. Yeah, ours would probably be in the middle, probably earlier in the day. I
Probably
figured.
between 1 and 8 then.
Yeah, for sure. But I asked him if Saturday were okay, and he did not text me back. So, but just before that, he's like, I'm excited about this weekend. I was like, Saturday okay? And he's like, no response. And anyway,
Well, I'm glad you. Well, I'll be good after 2 because of boys' tennis.
email me what that tournament is anyway. I want to see it. All right, so let's do number 1. You guys are good on the product rule?
Probably.
What?
Did you go to the boys'
It was just James. Just James.
Oh my.
James Bob.
Oh, it's Thomas's birthday.
Yeah.
Was the Vita there at least?
Do you guys have this on your computers?
What's that?
Yeah.
Can you read it to me? Number 1.
Oh,
Y equals negative x to the third parentheses, 3x to the 4 minus 2, and parentheses.
Okay. What was
Oh,
the... What's that?
Dean left.
Well,
Doesn't want to do the work.
he's just not committed.
So much.
I think I got it.
So much for my unofficial TA. What is it, Nate?
Negative 3x
Yes.
7
I have it.
7?
12. 7,
Square.
12. Shoot. Wait, yeah, it's negative.
Right?
Yep.
Times what?
2x.
12x.
No. What's the product rule?
Oh, the product rule, yeah, that's right.
Oh.
I thought we were doing something.
So you
Oh,
leave
it's
it?
actually fact. Yeah, okay.
What do I get?
So it's negative 3x squared.
Wait, what is the product rule?
Uh,
It's g. It's the derivative of g times h,
Yes?
and then derivative of h times g. Wait. Yeah.
Yep. Right?
yeah.
Yes.
Good. So we just took the derivative of one function.
Times that.
Yes.
And then now we have to plus
Yeah, it'll probably end up being a minus, but so minus
minus
that times what?
12x cubed.
That's
minus-
it, right?
Yeah, 12x cubed. That's so it's 0. So yeah.
Does that make sense?
Hmm.
Good. Let me check out what they have for an answer. I don't know if they simplified after that.
Probably did. Probably didn't. We don't know.
So they did it in the opposite direction. They did this term first, or we did
Right.
this term first times that,
And then they simplified
and this.
it.
Then they did simplify.
Gross.
But we didn't.
Let's simplify this one, but I'm not going to simplify all of them just because I want to go through them quicker. I think you guys can simplify, right? I can count on your past math to help you with that.
It's a lot of faith.
Yeah. So then I just distribute, right?
It,
So I should get, what's the first term here?
Does it reflect this?
Dean,
Dean's back.
Are we still on number 1?
Yes?
Yeah.
you already did all of them.
Does this reflect? It doesn't. Oh, it does reflect.
All right.
What's that, Dean?
Does it reflect in the image? Because if you can't read that,
No, you're good. I can read it.
that should be the simplified version.
That's correct.
Oh, you got it, Dean?
We just looked at the answer.
I mean, this is all good review because my first test is next week, and it's over differentiation rules and implicit differentiation.
Perfect.
So this is my test too.
Awesome.
Aw.
Join the study session.
There you go. You were showing us an answer, were you, Dean?
The simplified answer. I mean, I just skipped steps because I'm lazy, but yeah.
That's okay. What'd you do, hold it up? Or? Yeah. Nice.
That's wrong, Dean.
Well, let's see if we get the same.
Or should I say marble?
More. Then who's here? So you get, what's our first term? You guys can simplify that.
9x 6
Second term?
Plus
6 plus 6x squared,
Good. Last term over here?
minus 12.
and then negative 12x 6
Awesome. What about these guys?
together.
Negative 21.
Yeah.
That's what Dean had, right?
No, he had something.
Listen, Dean.
He had something like completely wrong. Like he wasn't even close.
All right, very good.
I don't think the tea's gonna.
Oh, hit the button again. It's probably too cold when we get it out of the drinking fountain. You guys want to do more of these, or are you okay with these polynomial product rules ones? How about that one? How about number 10?
I think I know the product rule pretty well.
Can you do 10? Are you freaked out by this?
No, I can manage.
Good, good. I'm proud of you.
I didn't have to prove anything though. I just told you that I could do it.
Okay, you're right.
Who broke it?
Don't make me prove it. Please don't make me prove it.
Oh, yeah.
Was it
You're like, it's bubbling,
That was
so
you.
Was it me? That was you. How the heck did that turn off?
you must have accidentally hit it while you were. Maybe, maybe we shouldn't be running too high powered. I think it should be fine,
It should be fine.
but anyway.
Don't worry about it.
Alright, so I'm gonna leave the product rule.
There.
How about quotient?
Oh, great. Just kidding, don't do
I'm a
that.
master team.
How about looking for an ugly? I'm always looking for an ugly.
See, I'm
How
used
about,
to the traditional way
Yeah.
of making tea. I'm not used to this technology.
how about number 7?
One second, I should write this down. Just kidding, I'm not going to.
I am recording, so I can post this.
Do you want me to repeat it?
Yeah,
I'll be my teacup.
that's
Oop.
productive of you, Marvel. Alright, yeah, would you mind reading it, Bella?
Yeah, okay. Y equals 4x to the 5th plus x squared plus 4 over 5x squared minus 2.
Like that?
Yes.
Awesome. Who remembers what the quotient rule is?
Oh shoot. Hi ho, ho hi.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, right.
Heidi ho, is that? No, that's not right.
Hody hi.
Hody hi, right?
Hody hi, Heidi ho.
Hody hi minus Heidi ho all over a couple of
I open
hoes.
it up and I just see one at the
Ooh.
bottom, and then
Sorry.
on the side there's one more.
Is that okay? So can we do this?
Yee. Yeah, this sounds awful. Okay.
So it'll be 10x
Good. Just 10x, right? That's d. Oh wait, no.
no,
No.
never mind. It's just
Yeah, we're doing that wrong.
5x
Yeah, just
squared
write the
minus
bottom one out first.
2. 5x squared minus 2.
Yeah.
5x squared minus 2.
And then
And all that?
times that by
Okay.
20x
20x.
4 plus 2x,
That's it, right?
yeah, minus 4x.
Is that a 4 or is that a what? 20x over what?
We're taking the derivative of this, right?
No, he's asking what's that?
That's
oh,
a 4.
that's a 4.
Right, so that'll be
Did I
0.
improve that 4?
Because he was asking if it was a 4 or a y.
It turned off again.
Unplug the heater for a minute.
Yeah, that's what the heat is.
All right. Then we do just the top thing.
Right.
Yeah. And then now it's 10x.
Yeah, there we go.
Mhm. And then you'll put it over.
And then all over 5 and that cube squared basically.
Good. Very,
And
very
now
good.
simplifying out, yeah, that's
So you're not simplifying these though, right?
Are we not?
that's so much work.
Well, before you said not to, but we can if you want.
Simplify it right
I
now.
want to do. I want to do one.
Go, go, go.
Without even looking at the answers.
Oh,
at
yeah.
all.
Do simplify. We're not gonna.
What's that in red?
We're not gonna simplify, but let me just talk about what you would do in those cases. Like if you were like doing the AP exam, what they would probably have you do is they probably wouldn't go too crazy. So like x to the 4th, x to the 5th. You probably wouldn't have to worry so much about that. You probably at max have like an x to the 3rd, maybe an x squared. I don't know, plus 6x minus
5.
let's say
3.
9.
No.
Griffin, do you okay with
Yes.
So that could be factored into x plus
Just
3.
Will's mug out there.
Is that correct? Am I doing that right from algebra?
Griffin, I think this is cute.
Yes.
And then maybe down here you would have an x plus 3. and an x minus 1. So you'd have an x squared, a plus 2x, and a minus 3. So they might give you a problem where you had to do the quotient rule. You end up with something like this when you simplify, and then they may want you to actually factor it and cancel out common factors and write it as this. That would be a more advanced version of the problem. Does that make sense?
Yes.
That's good on the T.
That's good.
Yeah, but for our test, if you just take it to here, you'll get full credit, okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Good.
But I do want you to be aware that this is a very common procedure. They do want you to cancel factors on standardized tests and things like that. But just for this test, I don't want you guys wasting time doing non-calculus stuff. I'd rather just test you on the calculus stuff.
Alright.
Okay?
Smells very, yeah, that smells so good.
Okay, so I will pull up the next question.
Ooh,
Is that okay?
got me.
Sorry. Did you need that?
No, Dean left again.
Okay. I'm going to pull up the next question. They're starting to pour tea. I'm going to get a cup in just a second. Are you guys good with the quotient rule with polynomials?
Alpha T. Okay.
How do you guys feel about quotient rule ones when they're polynomials?
Yeah, sounds good.
And just crack it. Yeah, go ahead and finish it. Crack open the top so it evaporates. All right, we got our tea. Did you make tea, Nate?
Yeah, I made some tea. I got raspberry.
Nice. Okay, so we will go on to the chain rule.
Yeah, well, chain rule.
Hmm.
Let's try maybe. We'll try first number 1. Did I do that right? Or was it plus 5 to 3rd? Or?
No, you're good.
Okay. Now, chain rule. What's the difference with the chain rule? The chain rule, remember, is when you have a composition.
And you multiply by the
Right? So you will take f, it's sometimes written like this. The derivative of f with respect to x equals the derivative of g with respect to h times the derivative of h with respect to x. So you will have, just take a normal derivative where this is like your variable, and then multiply by the derivative of what's inside. Right? You can, if it's confusing to you, sort of do a substitution. So you could say, well, u is going to be x cubed plus 3, and that means du will be, or du dx will be 3x squared, right? So I just called this. So y could instead be u to the 5th. So if I took the derivative, I would get is 5u to the 4th, but I got to multiply by du dx.
Why is that 3x? Thank you.
What's that? I just,
What's du over dx? Yeah, that.
the derivative of this with respect to x, you just do the power
Oh,
rule.
yeah.
I'm writing it in a sort of different way. I hope it might help you. So I rewrote this as in terms of the u. So that's u to the fifth. If I take the derivative, I just use the power rule. But I do have to multiply by the derivative of u with respect to x.
Uh-huh.
I can plug u in for u here, and I can plug this dx into here, and that's my answer. I don't know if it's clearer to do it this way. What do you guys think? So this would become 5x cubed plus 3 to the fourth times 3x squared.
Yeah.
Does the substitution, do you think, help, or is that too much?
Yes.
Both?
Yeah, I believe so.
What's that?
What would be the other way you do it?
The other way, I just want to write what u was.
What for lunch today?
Chicken fajita.
Fajitas.
So this other way, you just write what y is. You would just do the power rule. Ignoring what's inside. But then do the chain rule where you multiply by the derivative of what's inside.
Oh, see, yeah, that way is easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that better.
Which way?
Third way.
Wait, what third way?
Shay way.
The Shay way.
Okay.
Wait, Shay way. I love Shay way.
What?
There's using substitution, and then the Shay way.
And then that
Shea way is the
I don't know why that's your way, but they've named it after you.
chunk.
everything.
Yeah.
Do those ways make sense?
Way. Chun-Shi way.
What marble?
I don't know, I just thought I'd say it.
Okay. Yeah, no, this way's way better.
Yeah.
Have you named them yet, Bella?
No, I feel like it needs to be something with
I
capital.
thought I'd say your name properly,
That's
Will.
good, yeah. We can wait to discuss
Zhen
them.
Si
Yeah,
way.
we need the
What?
whole class discussion.
正式way.
Chun-Shi way.
Are you guys okay with this?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, can we do,
Implicit differentiation.
how about number 5?
Number
I'm
5.
not
Oh
green.
gosh.
No.
I remember it, but I don't remember it.
Can you read 5 for me, Bella?
Oh, for a chain rule still?
Yeah.
Okay. F of x equals,
Oops.
and this is,
The two.
like, fourth,
Okay.
fx.
yes. And then inside, negative 3x to the fourth minus 2.
Minus 2.
Yes.
Good. All right, I want to rewrite this as a power rather than as a root or radical. So,
Is that a 4 in front of the square root?
what's wrong with my 4s?
They're really
They
bad.
don't look as not great.
Wow, Adrian, way to just be blunt about it.
He has Z's, he has Y's and X's, but 4s, nah.
All right, to the 1/4.
Oh boy,
Just
that doesn't look like a 4.
what do you want out of my 4s?
Alpha T.
Better?
Yeah. So then you'll put the 1/4 in the front.
They're good.
You got big plans.
It's hard to take tiny steps because you can't see where it is.
To the what?
It's a clear container, Griffin. You should be able to see.
2, 3, 4. or whatever.
So that'd be, oh right,
The negative,
3, 4.
negative 3/4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Rose mug, he has a hard
Good, good, good. And then what comes out here?
Times negative 12x to the third.
Very good.
We have
So
Oh, yeah.
we
It
have
smells
another,
like tea now. Good.
we have another watcher.
It thinks that its reflection is a mate. This might get graphic.
Might get graphic?
It's like
just
this.
a-
The same gender as me. Okay, good. So I'm going to simplify this. Negative exponent here just means it's going to go into the denominator. So this can be written. You have a 1/4 and you have a 12. So that's going to cancel to leave a 3 in the top, a negative 3. And down at the bottom you will have 4th root, negative 3x to the 4th minus 2, raised to the 3rd. That's 3/4. The
Wait,
fourth
this is a stupid question. Where did the negative 12x to the third come
chain rule.
from? Oh, right.
So then the negative 12 cancels with the 4 in the denominator to make
Yes.
negative 3, and you still have the x cubed. And then I just put this over, instead of 3/4 in the bottom, I did raised to the 3, and I put the radical symbol back in, just to make it pretty. It likes to be pretty.
Good.
Is that okay?
Yes.
We good on chain rule? You've got a sheet full of practice problems with answers, right?
Chain roll with trade.
Want to try that then?
No.
That sounded like a yes to me.
Wait,
Yeah?
never mind. Like, no, nothing.
What's your
Nothing.
question?
No.
I can go back.
Nothing.
This is chain rule as well, so if you had a question about chain rule, we're still on that.
Which one are we doing?
Which one do you want to do here?
Wait, this is still chain rule?
This
Yeah.
is chain rule with trig.
Yes.
Okay.
Glorious.
Let's do like number 6 because I have no idea how to do
Ooh, number 6, the challenge.
Ew, let's do some hard ones.
it. Because I don't know how to do it.
I like it, I like it. All right, you're going to have
Cool.
to,
Yeah, I got you.
hold on a second.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
I kind of know how to do this one.
I'll let you start us.
Alright,
Wait, me?
Hold on.
Oh, it's not. It's not. Oh.
minus 5 over cosine 2x.
Okay? How are you going to start us off, Nate?
Thank
Whoa, 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 whoa. Let's not get a little too hasty.
He said kind of.
Said kind.
What were you thinking?
Yes.
I knew how to do the bottom part, I think, but I know how to drive the bottom part, but that's it.
Good,
And I mean, I guess I could drive the top too, but
good. We're going to need both of those. What is this? With that bar in
yeah, what is this witchcraft?
you.
It's got a bar in the middle. What does that mean?
Negative 4x
Is this a problem?
over what?
Are we-
Yeah, that's the top and the bottom.
It's a quotient, right?
Yeah.
So remember,
Oh, yeah.
Is your quotient rule then?
Sheesh.
Quotient rule.
That makes way more
That's
sense.
so much.
Did you do that first then?
Chain
Like, would
roll
that be our
with
first
trig.
thing is to do?
Let me
Yeah,
just
you
write
really
this-
like testing us.
Actually, I'm.
Let me write this out, okay?
Okay.
Imagine,
Yeah, let's see.
Imagine you had a function that was a quotient of.
What was that behind you?
Hold on.
Someone doing some stuff in the yard.
What's
happening?
Is it Martin?
What question is this? 7?
Yeah.
Is it seven?
Wait, it's 6.
Or 6. Same thing.
Six.
How do you guys get the cosine in the bottom?
Do you see what I've written?
Oh, that was there in the equation.
Yeah, that's just the original problem right there. We haven't done anything yet.
What? Wait, are you guys still in chain rule?
No.
Yeah.
No.
Well, what do
Oh,
No.
like
Well,
chain
so-
rule
Chain roll
with
with trig.
Oh.
Do you guys
chain
see,
rule
do you see what I've written here?
with trig.
Oh.
Number
Oh.
6. He was in a different thing. He's like, what?
He's like, where'd the good thing from? It's a good question.
Okay.
You guys see what I've written
No, I got
in
it.
red?
No, explain that.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. I've got a function of x on top, right?
Yeah.
And I have a composition of function on the bottom. G is cosine,
Okay.
and h of x is 2x cubed.
Of
Right?
course.
So I'm going to do the quotient rule. I will do ho d high times f prime of x minus high d ho. And here's where I'm going to have to do the chain rule. So I'm going to take the derivative of g with respect to just h. And then I'm going to need to multiply by the derivative of h with respect to x. Because it's not g with respect to x, I didn't write it as g prime. I'm sort of distinguishing it by showing us the derivative with respect to its innards. That might be confusing to you, but you'll see it's not too bad. And then that's all going to go over the bottom squared. So it's pretty much just like the quotient rule, except you're going to have to do the chain rule here when you deal with the derivative of the bottom. Because it's not going to just be sine or whatever. You're going to have to take the derivative of what's inside. So that's the only complication outside of the quotient rule.
Okay.
Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I think it will once we like.
I wish I was in person because I feel like it'd be a lot easier to understand.
Wish there was a what?
Yes.
So I wish I was there in person because I feel like that'd be a lot easier to
Yeah.
understand.
Over
Don't worry,
here.
guys, it's
All
Yeah,
of
gonna
these-
be
like, in every single class, I feel so dumb, and I'm like,
Alright.
what am I doing?
That's
Well,
what I feel every day.
Where like in school, I feel like so smart, or not smart, but like more focused.
Sure.
Yeah.
But I got this. I think I can apply this.
I'm not sure about that one for me. I'm losing my touch.
Okay,
kidding.
let's take the derivatives of the top and the bottom separately. So the top, the derivative of what I called f.
4x, negative 4x.
Yeah,
I know that.
4x. That's it, right?
Yep.
What's the derivative of the bottom?
Negative sine
Let me just write it like
6x squared.
Oh, times, I needed to erase. Yeah, so we have the derivative. What did you say that was?
Negative sine 6x squared.
No, just negative sine of 2x cubed.
Because you'll do the chain rule with that later,
You take
right?
the derivative.
Oh.
That's what
Okay.
I mean by you take the derivative of this with respect to what's inside of it. You're not doing anything to that. You're just treating it like that's the variable.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then
Yeah.
you're going to multiply by the derivative of the thing inside, but the derivative with respect to x.
But so 6x squared.
Yeah. That's the chain. That's the only difference. That's the only sort of complication there.
So is that the full-on derivative of like the bottom?
This, let me draw it here with yellow maybe. This goes here.
On top.
And,
Uh-huh.
and this goes, whoops, not the F, here. Okay?
Yeah.
This is just the original bottom. This is just the original top. This is just the original bottom squared. Otherwise, we've basically got this.
I got this.
Good?
Alright,
Too easy.
I did all that, but that now comes the hard part.
Okay, so we're just going to write that out. Y prime is going to be equal to the bottom. Good. Times the derivative of the top.
so negative 4x
Yes.
minus.
Oh yeah, I totally got this.
Negative 2x squared minus 5.
Hmm.
And then times your negative sine.
Yeah, all this. Is that okay?
Um,
Sure.
Yeah. If I would have done the work, yeah, that's exactly what I would have gotten.
I'm sure, mate.
Yeah, Nate?
Yeah, the ending is easy, just playing.
That's what I got.
But it's
Yeah,
just-
Marvel.
Nate, you're playing Rocket League right now?
But then you
No,
put it,
I'm not.
Is that negative 2x squared or 2x?
Okay, so if it's not
what?
Rocket League, Nate, it's Among Us.
it's squared.
And then
Ah.
Oh yeah, Nate. Nate, you got prepared for a clash this Saturday.
Like this?
Yeah, I saw that there's Clash happening like in a couple days. I'm like, oh crap.
It's this Saturday and next Saturday, because there's actually
Bro, I'm not
2
ready.
weekends. Nate, just pick Shen and you'll be fine.
But Marvel,
Are we good?
champ.
What?
So
Rocket
would you
League
do
champ.
that, or do you have to do some simplifying?
Game,
No,
clash.
you could simplify, but why?
But you don't have to.
And
Yeah.
you will also be playing against Mr. Sotelo cousins and his friend.
That's right.
Wait, what?
Yeah, for esports. Because
I've got a party of 5 waiting to challenge you guys.
consistent
Wait, what?
gold,
Hold
silver,
on.
and
Whoa.
some planets.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh,
I think Griffin could play for me.
Griffey.
You want to play League of Legends?
I've never played it.
You guys
I
are so
can
ready to
watch
play
this
Among Us.
second.
Wait, Bella, you want to play Among Us?
No, not since we.
I think we do.
I will.
Saturday at 1, we.
Oh, Bella will. Oh, if Bella's gonna play Among Us, then
A group.
Oh shoot.
looks like we're not gonna play Among Us.
You can still get on the Discord and play with people randomly on our club.
Yeah, you can play with us.
No, guys, I could be playing Rocket League right now, but there's calculus.
So could I, but
He has to teach calculus.
yeah. All right.
Wait, what? Wait, did you say so can I?
Yeah. I can play.
Guys, I'll just stream for you.
I can stream for you. What are you talking about?
What?
I can play it right here on this computer.
Do it.
Yeah, well, I can play it too. We can play each other.
Do it.
We could.
Oh.
This is getting.
Maybe after lunch.
Okay, wait.
Oh, might have to.
Do you guys get this?
One of them was saying.
Yeah, I have that down.
If I would have done the work, like I said, I definitely would have gotten that.
Yeah, he would do.
Okay.
Wait, would you take that as an answer?
Yes.
Or would you have us, like, simplify it?
That'd be fine.
Oh,
Just like that.
thank God.
I know, right?
Oh, my. I was going to try to simplify it, but I'm like, nah.
It would take me so
How
long.
about number
Nick.
5? Number 5.
Will.
Number
We
5.
should just exit the Discord because no one is in there.
The what? What are you talking
Discord.
about?
The Discord.
No. There's no Discord.
Yeah.
Wait, what's
Gone
Discord?
now.
In parentheses, 2x to the
Oh wait,
plus
what's
3.
Discord?
I don't know what I should do. I should be imposter.
Cosine x
And I
squared.
should base this accused part.
All right. What rules do we need for this?
Alright, you're talking about Among Us. Like, what the heck?
Alright, you're gonna want
Product
your
rule, right?
product rule.
Very good.
Oh my gosh, yes!
So it'll
Look
be
at me.
Adrian, jeez.
Yeah, like, go to your game right now.
4
Wait, what?
times cosine x squared
Hmm.
plus
I don't know if
2 cosine x.
Negative sine. Oh, well, yeah, put that first, I guess.
Negative sine, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Negative sine.
Okay. Oh, this is just straight up chain rule?
Yeah.
Negative
Well, it's
sine
product rule.
The negative sign, that's it? Or
So
is there a
then-
negative sign x squared? Oh.
Yeah, x squared.
I was like, wait a minute,
And then-
what?
It's supposed to be
I was
2x.
like, well, don't worry. If you're confused, then that means I'm confused.
Oh, yes, I remember so well.
Derivative.
Okay,
Oh,
and then
I'm very confused.
X 5
Oh,
plus
same. Okay.
the 2x.
5.
So it's
Wait,
like-
what is that after
Plus-
the
Times 2x. Times the derivative of what's inside.
This is my favorite.
What, product rule?
I don't know, just like this in general right now.
Product rules
Like, as long as I'm not-
easy to understand.
I don't know, I feel like I understand it when I have all the rules right here, but like,
Good.
When I have my rules, I'm like, oh yeah, that's how I do it. But when I don't, I'm like, I'm lost.
Based off
yeah, if I
math,
don't think about it for a while,
That
then
just,
I'm kind of like,
that just means you have to do a lot more.
right.
Yeah, practice makes. Yeah.
No, Will, practice doesn't make perfect. Shut up.
Fun.
Practice makes better, at least.
Yep. Doesn't make it perfect, but it makes you better.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Yeah. If I would have done
Ow,
it.
oh my god. Ow! I shivered and I stabbed myself with my pencil.
What?
How does that
I
happen?
like shivered like violently. And
That's
then I
like called a
stabbed myself.
seizure,
It
Adrian.
hurts
Who's
so
calling me?
Are we good?
Wait, Nate, are you calling?
I'm impaled.
Like
Okay.
3 minutes.
No, the spam.
Oh my god, I think I'm actually bleeding.
Guys, we have 3 minutes. Are we gonna finish this one in 3 minutes?
7.
Oh.
We already finished it.
Are you
No,
guys
but
gonna
you're,
join-
it makes it. It's the English.
2 minutes now.
Yeah.
Are you guys gonna
Are
join
you-
us for lunch again?
Gonna do another question, or are you just gonna go to lunch? Cause you got 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Well, we had 3, but you just wasted a
Yeah,
minute and a half. So.
Nate, you trying to
All right.
construct that sentence just wasted.
What'd you say?
I say sorry, I was in the middle of a
You
stroke.
ruined it. That's what I said.
Guys, I pretty much just had a stroke. Like, how do you guys feel right now?
You had a stroke. Adrian had a seizure.
Whatever.
Adrian had the chills.
Will
I had a
just
stroke.
being Will.
Will was looking really cute. I can't see anything else.
Look, I stabbed myself.
Are you guys gonna join us for lunch again or no?
Oh, I can stream Rocket League.
Yeah, I'll come.
Yeah, but like, are you gonna join us for lunch?
Yeah, bring me down.
Bring me. I'll be playing. Oh wait. Oh, how am I gonna do this?
How are you gonna do this, Nate? Because you can't stream it on your computer. But you can turn your computer around and stream it.
Oh,
See what I'm getting at, Nate?
big brain.
Big brain moments.
So I'm pretty sure I can broadcast.
I'm gonna actually this time pause the recording while we go to lunch.
See what you have, Mr. Snell. Just load up broccoli right now.
Let's see what's in your inventory. Yeah?
I'll read it.
Probably it's things from the beginning, because like when it came out, this would have been like 5 to 6 years ago. I bought my little Alienware console. And that was the summer from when Brady and Shay graduated 8th grade. It was the summer before they went to Maine for the first time. And I had them go out to SOC for math club over the
I
summer.
remember that.
And did you come out a couple times, or
I might have gone once, I'm not sure.
I don't remember either.
Yeah.
And then I was like, "What games do you guys want to play?" And Brady, no, I think it was Shay. He was like Rocket League. And I was like, "What is it?" And he's like, "No, nothing." He's like, "Okay."
Imagine soccer but cars.
So like a lot of the time when we're out there, we're just playing like Rocket League on my new computer.
We'll work on that.
Yeah.
While they're playing.
Okay. Rocket
This is
League
for
loaded.
this is for math club. You see?
That's
for math club?
Rocket League.
Wait, that's what it is? Like cars? Like
It's
soccer,
like
just
soccer
with
with
cars?
cars.
Ooh,
Yeah.
crack my back.
And,
so
well, no,
much.
it's
Oh,
more
my
than
goodness.
that.
Oh.
It's amazing. Beautiful.
Oh,
It
Adrian's
is
back
great.
in her original
So
seat.
fun. It's hard. It's fun.
When did that happen?
See, look, you'll see more.
Mute.
There.
There we go.
There you go.
At the table around my
If you don't
room,
skill up, you cannot continue.
Wait for it.
Oh.
Nate, did you score?
Have I scored yet? No.
Oh,
Marvel, no.
What's the score
What?
here?
1-1.
Marvel, yes.
Oh, it's intense.
Since Antonio tested positive, Griffin might be gone, Bella might be gone, I might be gone.
Wait, why did he?
The code cost is gone.
Why is Natalie?
No.
Was that your point?
What?
That was your point, right?
Wait. No.
Oh, Nate.
Oh. For a second, I thought.
We're losing.
Marvel, are you
1-2.
Antonio now?
Come on, you have to work your calculus.
I already won the last game. Oh, I can't get that.
It's just gonna be Mr. Sotelo here.
I know.
All by himself.
Well,
Can you guys see this?
We're gonna mess around.
there won't
You're
be
like,
any.
hold on, guys, I'm making tea for myself.
Just a little bit of tea.
I have to see
You
what
like
this-
fill each of our mugs and just set it there.
like
I'll have
on
to
the
see what
spot.
the school says though.
I will. My mom will make me if the school doesn't.
Griffin,
What?
are you going to get tested today?
I don't know.
Cause Jake's seat,
Oh,
I mean, I
when he
run.
sat beside Luke, was like
I
literally
probably will. I don't know.
very close.
Mhm.
But then
Oh.
they didn't send Jake home.
Yeah.
But how
wait,
long
did you
was
have
he-
symptom or not?
Three classes straight.
What a
Right next to
save,
him?
Nate. That was beautiful.
But yet they didn't
I
send
know, so lucky.
This guy was just like, you'll be fine. So I don't know what they're doing.
Oh my!
They'll probably just be like,
Nate.
it's one day.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're not
Nothing.
symptomatic, you're the least likely to infect somebody.
Yeah.
And is he sick currently?
Yeah.
So he's sick.
And he's not feeling
Oh,
good
give it
at
up.
all either. So.
Okay. A lot of times those tests, like, they double the amount of material
You
before
lost?
they test,
Yeah.
and they've been doing it like over 40 times, which is a complete bogus way of using it as a test. So like, if you've had it a month ago, they would say that you're positive. So
Are you doing it?
They're going overboard.
Did you lose?
Oh yeah, I lost.
That's
We lost.
it.
Yikes.
You went back.
I won the first game.
Okay,
I guess it didn't happen.
let's start winning with calculus.
Yeah, we're gonna win in calculus now.
Well, I
Yes,
gotta
sir.
present, I gotta present.
I already took my L, so
Let's have a problem.
this is so messy.
All right. Chain roll with trig. Are we okay with that?
Yep.
Maybe.
Chain roll with. I don't
Definitely
think we've done
not.
natural logs, so let's just.
I hate natural logs so much.
This is illegal.
Let's do the exponentials only.
Oh, that's
Ooh.
that's
Number.
This is gonna be in math.
Definitely illegal.
Oh.
That is so illegal right now.
Oh my god.
When there's more
It's so small. I
words than numbers, that's when you know.
Let's do 2, and then let's do 6.
Can you read it then? Because I can't see it.
My parents have
You can't see it?
I'm not allowed to read.
No.
Can anybody see it?
I can see
Yeah, I
it.
can.
My eyesight can't see the third exponent. That's too many.
So that's good.
Or second, I guess. I don't know.
Whoa.
There's allowed to be one exponent. Any more than that is wrong.
What about this?
This is still chain rule.
Thank you.
Wait, we doing number 6 or are we doing number 2?
We are doing
Number 2
both
first.
of them.
Start with number
With
2. E. 2. Actually, wait. We know how to do this.
Yes, you do.
You know what? I'm not gonna get it.
Yeah.
Do we?
That doesn't mean we do it.
Well,
I do know.
well, do we?
Yeah. Do we?
Wait, we
We
do?
I'm not scared of Corona. Corona should be scared of
You'd
I-
start
we
with
don't.
power rule, right? So you take down the
We don't.
3.
crunchy eggs.
That's not too many.
That's how different I am.
I completely forgot about this.
Are we good?
Same, Will. Same.
All right, Mr. Sotelo, start it off.
I know we went through it at school.
Yeah, I mean, I know we talked about it, and I feel like I kind of understood it when we
I
talked
remember
about
talking
it.
about it. Do I
Yeah,
remember
same.
what to do?
Not
Kind of.
No.
Well, what?
Okay, I have my little noties.
6x squared.
Can you do this one?
Just kidding, you're not gonna help me much.
6x squared.
What's this?
What is that? Why are we?
What's the derivative of this one?
Did we? Oh, we just. Okay.
E?
It's.
Wait,
X.
no.
Just kidding. You put the LN.
It's the same.
It is
Ew.
the same.
Oh,
And then
great.
time ln.
How am I supposed to kiss them?
Yeah, times-
That's it, that's it.
Oh.
Witchcraft.
But it's only that one, right?
But with this
It's
one,
only.
we have to. Yeah, if you had to do this one, it'd be different.
Right. That one was
Which
like.
will be.
That was like 1. Or it's LN2X or something.
Yeah.
Yep.
XLN2.
Like that.
Yeah, these are equivalent things. They're just written a little differently.
Yeah, they're just kind of gross a little.
What just happened? It got really dark.
Okay, let's go back to the problem at hand.
This is like this, but with the chain rule.
Chain rule.
Hold on, I hear someone.
Yeah.
Chain
How are you
rule.
ignoring the chain rule?
All right. So derivative of exponential should give you the same thing back, right?
Yep.
So we'll get But now we have to multiply by the chain,
Yep.
which is
By 6x squared.
excellent.
Good job, Nathaniel.
Oh, because you just, that makes sense.
You're so smart, Griffin.
That was neat. Whoa.
Not me.
Well, I want to feel smart for
Don't try to take my credit.
No, I'll
in online learning. I want to feel smart.
You guys didn't really play that much.
This is correct.
It's all just a bunch of kids running
Is that good?
and there's all talking. It's hilarious.
And younger.
That's it?
That's it.
That's it, Will.
Oh,
13.
oh wow.
Yeah, that's
so smart, Nate.
actually very nice. You get the same
Thank
thing
you, Will.
back.
Thank you, Master Shifu.
It's not fun again until they say your address.
All right, the next one, 6.
Ooh.
E to the 3x squared.
That's illegal.
E to
That's
the E.
illegal.
E to the E x squared. Oh my god, that's definitely just SIMP.
Wait, simp. Squirrels in my pants.
Yeah.
No, Seb.
E to the E to the.
That I can't even fit that on my paper.
What? What does your paper look like?
Get
Or like in
more
a
paper.
single line.
Wait, why did people go like, we should make this a thing?
Nature has
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, who's like, oh yeah, E. I'm like,
To the E.
Okay, wait, I know how to do this
Bro,
one.
who's just
Okay,
keep
hold
on
on,
passing
Adrian's
by
gonna do
behind
it.
you?
But maybe not. I just feel like you should be able to do
I
this.
just see a
Okay,
head.
how do I start?
Okay, so you should be able to just take, like, in my opinion, you should be able to take down the 2 from the very top, and then that's just a 1, so you don't have to worry about that anymore. And then you can just do what you did before, because you only have 2 exponents now.
Not quite, not quite.
That's how I would do
Why?
it if I was allowed.
Okay,
Adrian.
What?
That's illegal.
Well,
So we got like.
Oh.
so
that's so many parentheses.
let's take the derivative of the
It's
first
4.
bit, right?
Wait, Mr. Sato.
So many parentheses for such a small line.
Yeah, they'll contact you.
So you
They'll
just
come get you
E
and send you-
time.
So that means I had to come tomorrow then?
Yeah, if they haven't. Yeah. Or you could talk to it.
6x squared.
We do write down this first, like
No,
E
wait.
to
12x.
E to 3x squared.
Guys,
You're gonna have 2 chain rules, right?
Yes.
yes. So
Then I know how to do it.
Tammy's turn.
Notice what we did last time? We got the same thing back, and then did the chain rule. So let's do that here,
Uh-huh.
right?
Yeah. But you'll have to do the chain rule twice.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is, I mean, it makes sense. This is kind of annoying.
So I get what do I write?
So you write the whole thing again, right?
Correct.
Yep.
And then times the chain, right?
Right.
Yeah,
So
that's
do you do the smaller chain or the bigger chain first?
6x.
No.
No,
I thought
E,
it
The
E
derivative of
X
this.
squared.
The derivative of
E 3x squared.
this. E to the 3x squared. Good. Times,
And
You
then
like it.
inside that,
yeah.
you have just
Lose game though.
6x.
Excellent. That's it.
6x.
Yeah, see, that makes sense. It's just kind of
Yes.
like disgusting.
Well, everything makes sense.
That's right.
Oh, he just Asianed you.
Is this okay?
Yeah.
Yeah,
The only thing you could
more
do,
than I thought.
The only thing you could do to simplify it, you could put the 6x, and then you have 2 powers with the same base, which means you can add their exponents. But that's about it,
Oh, Timmy Nelson.
Yeah.
right?
Well, does that make sense?
Mr. Nelson's email.
Eels.
So let me check the answer.
Escalators.
No, just eels.
So for 2,
Escalators.
Where do they come from?
for 2 we got the same thing back times the derivative of what was up top. Excellent.
They don't have any reproductive organs.
And then here we got the same thing back times the derivative of what we got, right? So the derivative of what we got was the same thing back times
Yes,
the
sir.
derivative of what's up top, which is this. And then
Yeah.
they simplified it, they just brought that up front. And then they have 2 powers of e, so they added the exponents. This is what I had done. So
Can we just leave it like this though?
yes,
So for the test, we don't need to simplify, right?
correct, yeah. I would accept
That's
that.
so nice, honestly. I think
Thank
I'm
goodness.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
That dog was like, no.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Can you do this one?
And
10?
yeah, you have quotient rule and chain rule now.
Excellent.
Okay, now we have something wrong.
With 10?
No, I know how to do
I'm
this.
surprised that Adrian hasn't shown her dog yet.
I'll show my dog because
My dog is outside. Do I really have to go outside?
No.
Yeah.
my old dog.
I
your
guess I
dog's-
will.
Your dog's huge.
All right, who wants to read number 10
My
to me?
dog's pretty big.
Wait,
Y
yeah, someone read.
equals
Wait, which
e
10?
to the
We're still on the.
5x to the
Yeah, I'm still on the
4
same sheet.
over
Oh.
e to the 4x squared plus 3.
All right.
Okay, so you'll do your hody hi ho ho
Yeah.
hody hi ho ho ho.
So how does it go?
Hody hi, hi ho ho ho.
So
So what do I write first?
Hody hi.
so ho is
The bottom.
bottom. Wait, hody ho.
Where's the.
Hody hi.
Times.
What the heck?
Oh, gee.
The derivative that which is
Huh?
First one that makes me cry.
Oh, is the plus 3 up? I'm stupid.
Yeah, that's up top.
we've got E
Stop.
20
No.
It's just the same thing because their derivatives are the same.
5x4
Times.
Oh, okay. So then 20x to the third.
To the third.
Yes.
minus
Minus. Hi do ho, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Top.
Yeah.
What's that sound?
times, so that would be E 4x squared times plus 3 times and then E 8x
Just 8x.
all divided by
And then that's over.
To square one of these, you could just double all the things up here.
so 8
Oh, can you?
squared plus 6.
There you go.
I did it.
Yes!
No.
Look at us go.
What?
Solve.
They actually do all have a factor of this.
Yeah, but no.
So we can get rid of the e. So it'll be e squared.
You can't.
Well, we'll
Don't
just we'll leave
simplify.
it there. But yeah,
E 2x.
You.
you could.
Wait, stop simplifying.
You couldn't?
Oh,
Yeah, we don't need to simplify.
But could we?
Could you?
Yeah, you could cancel this from every term. This
But actually, I'm just not. So.
that would just be e squared down here.
Oh, I thought it was
So yeah, that's about it. You could get
Shoulder can come out of this.
Boom. Can you do this with your
right,
phone?
Also, I can do
Yeah.
this all the way around.
and this is just like -2 up here.
what happened to your Y? Is that Y or G?
That's a y.
Oh,
You're not on today.
Well, now you're like making them panic.
Yeah.
Mine's not at all.
Why is
Fine.
that bad?
Also, my thumbs.
Oh, Timmy.
Maddie called him out.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, oh,
He's calling
Timothy.
me typos though, not even just names. He just can't spell.
Mine's curved.
Yeah. I'm surprised he spelled Isabella right. I'm like, whoa, Mr. Nelson.
Oh my gosh, play
Big
on a
word.
big
He is pretty good at typos. Is that good?
Yeah, he's definitely better than you.
Thanks.
Ooh. Better take that back.
I can do little circly ones.
Oh, you definitely do better with chalk.
Oh, he also just
Thanks.
he also just put Kate Noble instead of Katie.
Just wrote Ellen.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, he's also.
Like Ellen. E-L-L-E.
I do like to draw with these things, but
It's funny.
it's kind of hard with the keyboard.
Myself and artist.
Nate?
Nate?
What was that?
What?
What you got there?
Okay, I guess I'll take you to see my dog now.
Really?
What, your dog?
Okay.
No, we can wait.
Yeah, her
No.
huge
All right.
dog.
Let's
like,
take
it's
a look
huge.
at
My dog is also big.
let's say this one number 1 on the implicit
What breed is your
differentiation.
dog, Adrian?
So which is this one?
Breed.
Like, what are we doing with this one?
This one's new.
Last time I remember it,
So,
I think it's a
Oh,
sound.
it's new?
Yeah.
So it's
2x cubed.
So,
no, I mean like implicit differentiation or something.
What number?
Like it's not chain rule.
Equals 2y squared.
So what is it?
Okay, I'm going to show you, I need to show you 2 ways to do this, but we'll just show you one right now because I think that's probably all we'll have time for.
Yeah, because I have to get my doc.
So I am going to take the derivative of every term. When it's with respect to x, then you don't have to write like dx. So I'm just going to do, what's the derivative of this?
The derivative of
6x
oh, I was going to say
2
it.
Good.
Yeah.
equal
Okay. Now
4y.
treat this, yeah, 4y, right?
Yeah, and that's it.
But it's also, you have to do the chain rule because y is a function of x. So you would write y prime,
What?
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 because this is not.
You write back and forth.
This is legal.
This is a function
Wait.
of x.
Wait. Just
wait.
Uh,
I'm gonna drop like 5 of my classes. I swear.
Master Chief. Wait.
So this is the same thing. Just treat it like it's the chain rule. You do the power rule first, then multiply by the chain, which is the derivative of y with respect to x.
What is this rule called?
That was the power rule,
Implicit differentiation.
and then this is the chain rule.
Thanks, Griffin.
That's such a nice sound.
But I was asking the teacher, not you.
I agree.
Yeah, it's called implicit differentiation, but what we just did was the power rule, and then followed by the chain rule. Okay?
Oh, wait, I'm still writing that down, by the way.
What do you still have the y in it?
Like the Y1?
Yeah,
Yeah.
We want this, right?
Yeah.
So we can solve for that, right?
Mm.
So just divide it by it. Yeah.
There you go. And if
Now
you
do
really,
you
if you really wanted
Now
to,
it makes sense.
Wait,
Ho, the eye.
Or-
wouldn't it be the other way?
yes, it was.
No.
Yeah, I was like,
Look at me go.
Good
I was like,
job.
my math brain's going off.
Like that?
My brain went off faster, I guess.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So-
If you don't like the y in it, which
Woody Heidi Ho.
you can rearrange this. For y, and then you can plug that back into here.
Oh, I don't like that.
Wait, why would you do that?
So
Wait.
No.
Oh.
Just
I
solve,
like the other way better. This way sucks.
Both will provide heat in a different way.
okay?
Go back.
It's the same thing, just instead of leaving y in it like this where it's unknown, you just solve this in terms of y, and then plug what that is in.
Can we just
Yeah.
go back to first grade math and learn additions again?
Dude, that would be so cool.
They're like 2 + 2, and you're like 4, and the little kids are like, oh.
It'd be like
Wait, what?
just making fun
Little
of
kids master the positive numbers. Okay, so now we're introducing negative numbers.
Wait, there's negative numbers? Oh, just wait till you get to the imaginary. What?
Letters in math.
Is that good?
Wait, there are fake numbers? Oh, yeah.
Words
Yeah.
in math.
So are we gonna stop it here then?
Yeah, we can
Because you
stop
run-
here.
You running up on time?
Yeah,
we
yeah.
learn, We learn addition and subtraction. Okay.
Are you guys feeling
what's
good with these rules?
multiplication?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I think we probably have to go over this one
Wait, so is that it?
more times, but
Yeah,
The other-
definitely. Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
I used to just add it, like, if it was 18
Uh,
times that.
I can show you
well,
more
I would
ways
just
to
add
do it too.
18 times. Yeah.
Any
I
questions
just do
before
it.
we let you guys go?
I always
Wait.
got it right.
Rocket math.
Wait.
I was good.
Rocket math
Wait,
was
so
so
that-
good.
Never mind.
We're including
Holy
you.
math? You remember holy math?
All right, guys, I'm gonna end it and
Yeah, in 3rd and 4th and 5th grade.
Upload
where
the
it's like
video?
put things and add
Okay.
the holes in
And
them,
concepts
and
of
you write
pebbles?
it in the holes in the
Oh,
heart.
yeah.
That was
okay,
easy.
you guys have a great rest of your day.
You know,
Thanks, you
Thank
too.
you.
All right,
Yeah.
goodbye.
I'll be with you guys next class.
Oh.
On